In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to merge two drive partitions here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your File Explorer. The moment you have opened it, please navigate to the left pane and go with this PC. And here at this PC, you'll be able to see the devices and drives that are being plugged in or that are present in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So I can see here my three drives, okay? And in order to merge two drive partitions, all you need to do is first you need to back up all the necessary data or the files that we have saved on that specific drives. So first you need to open that and then you need to move that specific file folder, copy it, and move that to the particular location where you want it to save. Make a right click and click on paste and do the same on the other partition. Now once you have ensured that everything are being backed up or everything are being saved, you need to close the window and let's proceed to the merging of this two drive partition. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So by that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on disk management. The moment you click on it, you would be able to see this kind of window where here the disk management contains all of the volumes, the disk partition, the drive partition that you have saved or that are present in your Windows 11. So in my case, I have here disk 1 where it has two partitions. The partition 1 which has this drive letter D, and the second partition which has this E drive letter. And in order to merge these two partition, you need to select that, make a right click and go with delete volume. So the moment you click on it, yes, it will erase all the data that you have saved. That's why I'm saying you in the first step, it is very important to back up all the necessary files that you have. So click on yes the moment you have saved that and proceed to the primary partition. Make a right click and go with delete volume as well. Click on yes. And once done, in a few moments, it would be merged as one. However, it will mark here unallocated. So by that, we need to create a new simple volume. Make a right click and go with new simple volume. Okay. And then once done, please wait until a new window would appear, which is this. Click on next, go with next, assign the following drive letter, click on next, click on this done arrow key, and use any of this two, choose any of this two file system, click on finished. And there you have that. In a few moments, you would be able to merge two drive partitions in your Windows 11. Okay. So you would be navigated directly to this file explorer where here in this PC you would be seeing that from three drive in my case I have only two. So meaning we have successfully merged the two drive partitions in our Windows 11. Now if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.